Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the chimney breast safe and accessible. Turn off power, remove the mantle and electrical fittings, and clear furniture. Start stripping the old paper by scoring the surface and applying a wallpaper remover. Wait roughly 15-20 minutes so adhesive softens, then scrape with a broad scraper. Once done, inspect plaster for hollows and loose areas, apply joint compound to fill holes and gaps, and sand smooth when dry so the surface is ready for priming. You need an accurate base and layout. Apply a PVA-diluted primer or dedicated wallpaper primer and make sure it dries thoroughly for 1-2 hours so adhesive bonds properly. While drying, measure the chimney breast width and mark a plumb line. Note pattern repeat and add 50-100 mm to each strip for trimming and matching. Cut all strips in advance, matching repeats, and label the top of each. This saves time during hanging and prevents mismatched seams once you start pasting. You're ready to hang. Align the first strip to your plumb line, apply paste to the paper or wall per manufacturer instructions, and position from top to bottom. Smooth out bubbles from center to edges using a wallpaper brush or plastic smoother. Repeat with subsequent strips, butting seams or matching pattern as needed. Trim excess with a sharp blade at the top and base, roll seams gently, and wipe paste with a damp sponge. If a problem appears, follow the troubleshooting tip below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.